Hi, I'm Martin Viana, Director of Business Development and Commercial Sales at Lumatek, and I'm really excited to finally introduce to all you growers out there the most powerful grow light on the market, the Zeus 1000 watt Xtreme Ppfd CO2. Power has just attained a new level in LED lighting, raising the benchmark for horticultural lighting higher than ever before. With an incredible total ppf output of 2,925 micromole per second, powered through 10 updated 100 watt Pro 2.9 magnet light bars. These units provide your grow space with a perfectly uniform spread of pure high quality, full spectrum light operating at a world-class 2.9 micromole per joule fixture efficacy. This fixture produces extreme high levels of light intensity, which requires the use of supplemental CO2 for those who plan to grow on 1.5 per 1.5 meter grow areas with short distance from canopy to the light. Allowing your crop to absorb more light quantity, you can expect massive yields without increasing your area footprint. The use of CO2 with this fixture is not mandatory, but to run it without it, then we recommend a longer canopy distance to the light, ensuring the optimal ppfd levels according to your growth stage. Enriching your control environment with carbon dioxide supplement can significantly improve the yield of your crop if used correctly. In general, a good rule is that once you exceed 1000 micromole per second per square meter ppfd levels, you should be 1:1 with CO2 parts per million, up to 1500. So for example, at a maximum ppfd of 1500 micromole per second per square meters, CO2 would be 1500 parts per million. Using the innovative Zeus frame from our highly successful 600 watt Pro LED and the powerful 1000 watt detachable driver, we have made space for 80% more the light intensity using less than double the wattage, whilst not increasing your growing footprint and maximizing efficiency. The 1000 watt Xtreme will be compatible with our updated 2.9 micromole per joule efficacy light bars, achieved through the addition of higher specification LumiLEDs, Philips and Osram diodes, and the removal of the acrylic plastic covers. We have now covered the LEDs with a thin coating of clear glue, resulting in optimal protection with IP65 rating, diodes extended lifetime, extra corrosion resistance, a higher light transmittance and a less light loss than before. As always, for experienced and ambitious growers, Lumatek has provided a new level of LED fixtures for a new market of ultra-performance grow lighting. This amazing fixture, the Zeus 1000 watt Xtreme Ppfd CO2, is now available to order. And as always, for more details, contact your local Lumatek reseller and stay up to date with product development and releases via our socials and website. See you soon with more and exciting news from Lumatek.